Hi there guys, welcome back. This is Kishore here, founder and CEO of Trade Achievers. So in today's topic, we're going to discuss about my top 3 picks for the month of June on penny stocks. So let us see what are those stocks.
So, alright, guys, the much awaited the top 3 penny stock picks. So, my first pick for this month is it's Bandari. It's an export, Bandari exports, and see, as you can see from the script, it just had a huge upward momentum, and then we had a correction, and now we have started for an uptrend. So even the retracement level has completed and the market has touched near 618 and 78.6. And we are expecting a huge moment on the upside. So the target, what I'm expecting is very huge. So as you can see, the targets will be around 8 rupees. So it is almost more than double. So as you can see from here, it's almost 110%. In a long run, for a long term, like 6 months or something like that. So we may expect more than double the profits in Bandari exports. So that is what I'm can see from technical point of view. But when it comes to penny stocks, my advice is don't put all your investments in penny stocks since the no stock price is very less. So if you have invested and made some profits, always try to take that profit and invest in penny stocks. It is better to invest your profits in penny stocks because we don't know the time when it will reach the target, and we don't know, it may consolidate for a year or two. But when it goes, it booms in a racket. So it's better to wait. So my suggestion is don't go for the investments fully. It is better to go for the profits which you made from your investments. Investing in penny stocks in such a way will have less risk for your capital. So so my first pick is Bandari Exports, and the second one is BLB Limited. So when it comes to BLB Limited, what I've seen is the market has just broken a triangle pattern. So as you can see from the market has broken the triangle pattern, and all right, so the market has broken the triangle, and we are expecting a good upward momentum, and we may have a correction up to 7 rupees as well. But this script is a bit risky because as you can see from here, every year on year, as for the last 7 years, the market went above 8 rupees, but it was not able to close, say, only at this time. So it was not able to close above this resistance level. It was just hitting over there, and it came back inside the support, and again it came back to 3 rupees. So my suggestion is this is a little bit of risk trade. We are trying to enter along. If the market is able to break above this and close above, we don't know where the script can go. It can go to 17 rupees and up to even 23, 24 rupees. But my suggestion is put some minimal, very minimal amount that you don't think it is necessary to take that investment out. So put a bare little capital on this from your profits. That will be better. And we may, if the market is able to break and close this year, we'll be very lucky and fortunate to make a huge amount of profit in this script. And we may see to 3 rupees too if the market is in again consolidate. That is why I say this is a little bit of risky script, but it's worth it. Don't try to take a lot of risk in this, but try to have a proper investment plan with your profits. That will be better in this script. So the second one, what I'm suggesting is BLB. So, and the third one is Janus Papers. So from Janus Papers, what happened is, in the technical point of view, it was forming an inverted head and shoulder pattern. And so we can see the market has already broken the neckline and a huge momentum on the last month. And we can expect a correction, but the overall target for the inverted head and shoulder pattern will be around 16 rupees. So from 15 rupees to 16 rupees, that is almost like 70 to 90% return on equity. So this is also a very good script, and we are expecting a movement for a higher and higher in the coming days. But see, since this is penny stocks, we don't know how much time it will consolidate and when it will reach. So it may go in a month or two, it may go for a year or two. It depends on the market condition. So my suggestion is don't put all your investments into penny stocks. Take the profits which made you made from the investment and try to invest in this and hold it for a longer term until you reach that target. So that is my suggestion. You do your proper analysis and take the advice from your financial advisor as well. And then if this fits your watch list, then try to take a trade in this as well. All right. So my top three penny stock picks. First is Bandari. Second one is BLB Limited, and the third one is Janus Paper. So these are my top three penny stock picks for this month. All right.
So alright guys, so these are my top 3 picks for this month on the penny stocks. So do your proper research on fundamentals and technicals and get your financial advisor's advice as well, and try to take those trades upon your discretion as well. So I hope this video was useful, and thank you very much for joining. Take care.